The main thing was to establish something on my own. But once I got married in 2013, I started thinking about the future and building something for myself, for my family, for my kids. The shop's been great because it's a consistent money generator. That's one thing. It's increased every single quarter since I've been here. So that's why I opened up this shop, and plus the opportunity was just too good. So we're super close to the Googleplex. They recently just built a new structure that's probably holding about 1,000 employees. They're Systematic, which is the largest company, second to Google. There's just a bunch of startups here, a huge bunch of startups. There's just driving around or even Googling, you'll see how many businesses are around here. There's just so many, and they're named places. They're not like just startups that don't have any kind of reputation. These people actually have reputations.